Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs. This is my Sluice Spa Palm Springs. It's a 1,000-liter hot tub. Just for reference, I keep it at between 102 and 104 degrees. So what we're going to do today is go over what chemicals I use to maintain the water, as well as how to clean it in regards to your hot tub filter and adding the bromine, chlorine, and whatnot. So when my hot tub's not in use, I make sure to keep it covered. It keeps all the bugs and debris out of the water. So the most important step in keeping your water clean and clear is cleaning your hot tub filter every day or two. So you can see this has been about 2 days since I've cleaned it, and you can already see the brown in there. So we're going to get this sprayed out. As well, make sure you clean out your filter housing. And you can see the difference. Make sure to clean in between the little pleats there too. So we're going to reinstall this. So what I like to do next is take a microfiber cloth and wipe around the edges. That way, if you get any slime or whatnot around the edges, this will help pick it up, and it's soft on the rubber. So I picked up a spa kit from Canadian Tire. It's roughly $60, and I'll show you what's inside. Alright, so in the kit we have our test strips, our stain prevent. This is great if you have hard water or well water. Our foam away, our bromine, think of this as like a chlorine, and we have our spa clear it. So first things first, we're going to do our test strip. And you're going to compare your test strip. So I'm looking at this. Our top one's good. We need a little bit more bromine in it. Our pH level is a little bit low, and our alkalinity is a little bit low, but not too bad. So what we're going to do is adjust our pH and our bromine. For our bromine, we're going to remove the Chem Connect. So with this hot tub, it has what's called a Chem Connect, where we can actually put our bromine tablets in, as you can see there. If you don't have this, you can actually get the ones that float around. So there's our bromine tablets. So I'm actually going to add another one in here. So just a little tip, when you reinstall this, you can actually see on the side these 4 little holes. Make sure that they're open. That's your strength. It allows more water through it, so when it's all 4s open, it means you're getting more water in here around the bromine tablets. So we're going to reinstall this. So to raise our pH, I have what's called Clear. This is a natural pH. So what we're going to do is take 15 mils per 1,000 liters. So what I'm going to do is put it in. It's roughly 2 capfuls, give or take a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is actually run the jets for a few minutes to help circulate that. So the steps I've done so far as the chemicals, I usually do that twice a week. I'll do the test strips. If you have well water or hard water, I'd recommend using a product called Stain Prevent. This helps descale, and if you notice you're getting a brown ring around your pool, this stuff works great. So you put around 15 mils in for 1,000 liters. So I'm going to put that in, and we're going to circulate it through the pump and the bubble system. Another test strip to check my levels, and everything's perfect. So again, they're quite easy steps to follow. The biggest one, clean your filter every day. Check your bromine tablets, and again, if you don't have one of those, make sure you get the one that floats around. Again, that's indirectly chlorine. Make sure it's clean around the edge. Clean it with a microfiber cloth. You also want to make sure it's covered when you're not using it to keep out debris. as well. If you have any debris in your pool, make sure you take that out. And again, this is the kit that I bought. Came with your test strips and those 4 canisters. So my next video on this is probably going to be in the next month or so. It's going to be how to winterize it. We're up in Canada, so we're not going to keep this going all winter. So I'm going to show you how to drain it, take it apart, and winterize it and put it away for the winter time. So again, with a couple weeks of ownership on this hot tub, love it. I'll never live without a hot tub. So like always, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and the notification button so you're updated when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Happy hot tubbing.